Chapter 6 Multiplication. In class 3 we have learned how to multiply a given number by a number consisting of 2 or less digits. We have also studied the various properties of multiplication. In a multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and the number by which we multiply is called multiplier, and the result of the multiplication is called the product. So here example, in 123 multiplied by 4, answer is 492. We have multiplicand 123, multiplier 4, and the product is 492. Now first we are talking about properties of multiplication. A point, order property. Two numbers multiplied in either order give the same product. We can multiply two numbers in any order, result would be same, like 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So here 50 multiplied by 60, 3000, or 60 multiplied by 50, that is also 3000. So this is said to be commutative property. Now B point, grouping property. 3 or more numbers multiplied in any order of groups give the same product. हम जैसे मर्जी नंबर्स को ग्रुपिंग करें, आंसर would be same, like 30, 40 and 50. First we are multiplying 30 and 40, then multiply by 50. Answer is 60,000. Or what we are doing, we are multiplying second and third number and then first number. Answer is 60,000. So both are same. So this is a associative property. Okay. Now C point, multiplicative property of 1. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same result. So like 30,000 multiplied by 1, 30,000. So 1 is what? 1 is a multiplicative identity, because by multiplication 1, identity of the number doesn't change. It remains same. That's why 1 is said to be multiplicative identity. Now the next point, multiplicative property of 0. When we multiply any number by 0, result is always 0. Now example, by using suitable grouping, find the following products without actual multiplication. Like A part, 2 multiply 36 multiply 5. So what to do? We can do a grouping, like 2 5s are, we know 2 5s are 10. So first we are grouping first and third number, 2 into 5, and 36 को हम last में लिख देते हैं. There is no problem. So 2 5s are 10 into 36. Answer is 360. Now see B part, 4 multiply 68 multiply 25. You know 425, 4 into 25 is 100. So 100 into 68, 6,800. Now the next is C part, 36 multiply 4 multiply 125. So 4 into 125 is 1000. So 36 multiply by 1000, that is, answer is this one. And how they have done this, you can try these one. Now C part, 36 multiply 4 multiply 125. So we are combining 4 and 125. So 4 and 125 multiply 125 into 4. This is 500. So 36 into 500. So now 36 multiplied by 5 and 100 as it is. So we are getting 180 multiplied by 100. So this is the answer. Now come to exercise 6.1. Question number 1, filling the blanks. A part, 125 multiplied by 200 equals to 200 multiplied by 125, commutative property. B part, 336 multiply 576 equals to 576 multiplied by 336. Now CE part, this number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. G part, this number multiplied by 0, you will get 0 only. Okay, similarly you can try rest part, And the second question, by suitable grouping, find the following products without actual multiplication. See here, like B part, 2 multiply 47 into 50. So 2 into 50, this is 100. So 100 multiply 47. Answer is 4700. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about multiplication of a number by 10, 100 or 1000, etc. So rule 1, to multiply a given number by 10, insert 1 0 on the right of the given number, like 25 into 10. So answer is 250. 147 into 10, so 147, and last में 0. This is very easy. Now rule 2, to multiply a given number by 100, insert 2 zeros on the right of the given number, like 79 multiply by 100. So 79 and 2 0. 465 multiply by 100. So 465 and 2 0. Like this. Now rule 3, to multiply a given number by 1000, insert 3 zeros to the right of the given number, like 54 multiply by 1000. So 54 and 3 0. 357 multiply by 1000. 357 and 3 0. Like this. Now multiplication of a number by a multiple of 10, 100, 1000, etc. The following examples will make the ideas clear. Find the products. Like A part, 289 multiplied by 20. 20 is a multiple of 10. So what to do? We can write 289 multiplied by 2 into 10. इन दोनों को multiply कर दें and last में 0. So this is the answer. Now C part, 1246 multiplied by 90. So 90 is the multiple of 10. So how we can write? 9 into 10. इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे and then put 1 0 at the last. Same here, B part, 478 multiplied by 40. So 40, how we can write? 4 into 10. इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे and then last में 1 0. So very simple. Now brain booster multiplication is explained as a shortcut. 4 repeated addition. For example, 3 multiply 4 is same as 4 plus 4 plus 4. So multiplication is the process of calculating the product of two or more numbers. Now exercise 6.2, question number 1, filling the blanks. Like B part, 1056 multiplied by 10. So what will you get? 1056 and last में 1 0. Like E part, 576 multiplied by 100. So 576 and 2 0. Then H part, 231 multiplied by 1000. So 231 and then 3 0, like this. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now the second one, find the following products. Like here E part, 77 into 200. So how you will do? 77 multiply 2 into 100. So इन दोनों को multiply कर दे. You will get 154 and last में 2 zeros. Like K part, 127 into 3000. So 127 into 3 into 1000. Now इन दोनों को multiply कर दे. What will you get? 381 and last में 3 zeros. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you. Now third question, by using suitable grouping, find the following products. Like here E part, 36 multiply 4 multiply 125. तो इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. 36 multiply, what will you get? 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, 4 1s are 4 5. Now multiply these two. So 180 and last में 2 0. So similarly we can try remaining parts. Now next we are talking about multiplication of a 3-digit number by 2 and 3-digit number. See how to do. Example 1, multiply 186 by 43. So first brain booster, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand and the number which we multiply is called the multiplier and the result is called the product. So now first method, multiplication by distributive property. What we are doing? 186 multiplied by 43, we are breaking 43 like in the expanded form, 40 plus 3. So now 186 multiplied by 40 plus 186 multiplied by 3. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई एंड दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट मेथड? 186 multiplied by 43, write it like this. Now first multiply by ones digit, so we are getting 558. Now multiply by tens digit, so first write here 0. Now multiply by 4. Now add these two rows. So this is the answer. Now example 2, multiply 490 by 156. So first we are doing by distributive property. So here 490 multiplied by 156. So 156, 100 plus 50 plus 6. So 490 multiplied by 100 plus 490 multiplied by 50 plus 490 multiplied by 6. So do the multiplication and then add the result. And what is the shortcut method? Just arrange the numbers like this. So first multiply by ones digit. पहले हम 6 से multiply करेंगे. 6 zeros are 0. 6 nines are 54. 4 here. 5 carry. 6 fours are 24 plus 5. 29. Now multiply by tens digit means by 50. So write here 1 0, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 nines are 45, 5 here and 4 carry, 5 fours are 20 plus 4, 24. Now multiply by 100 digit, 1 here 2 0, 1 से करेंगे, you will get the same thing, 490. Now add these 3 rows, इन तीनों को add कर देंगे. This is the answer. Now exercise 6.3, question number 1, multiply the following by distributive method of multiplication. Like here D part, 728 multiplied by 47. So 728 multiplied by 47. So 728 multiplied by 40 plus 7. So what will you do? 728 multiplied by 40 plus 728 multiplied by 7. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे and then we can add it. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the second one, multiply the following by shortcut method. So like here how we can do it? So like F part, 880 multiplied by 77. So write it like this. First multiply by ones digit 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 eights are 56, 5 carry, 7 eights are 56 plus 5, 61. Now multiply by tens digit which is again 7. So write here 1 0. Now you will get 7 zeros are 0, 6 1 6. Now add. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the next we are talking about multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 2 and 3-digit number. So see some more examples. Example 1, multiply 2436 by 36. So first we are doing by distributive property. So 2436 multiplied by 30 plus 6. So first open it. This number into 30 plus this number into 6. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and then add. Now the second method, shortcut method. So just write it like this. So first multiply by ones digit. 6 से multiply करेंगे, you will get this number. Then multiply by tens digit. So write here 0. 3 6 are 18, 8 here, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 0 here, 1 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 here, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Now add these two. This is the answer. So very interesting. So exercise 6.4, you can try these sums. Now the third one also. Third one, okay, we can do like here, find the missing digits like B part. 5630 multiplied by 170. We have some digits. So here first multiply by ones digit, so you will get 0. Then the next multiply by 7. So here first write 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21, 1 here, 2 carry, 7 six are 42 plus 2 44, 7 fives are 35 plus 4 39. Okay, then we have to multiply by 100 digits. So here 2 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are 3, 1 six are 6, 1 fives are 5. Now add these three. So 0 0 1, 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 6 15, 5 here, and this is the answer. So very interesting. You can try remaining parts. Now come to next. We are talking about word problems. Example 1. There are 275 clips in a packet. How many clips are there in 173 such packets? So it would be more, और more के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Multiply. So number of clips in one packet 275 and number of clips in 173 packets, multiply कर देंगे इन दोनों को. So just write it like this. So first multiply by ones digit, we will get this. Now multiply by 10, so 0 here, we will get this, and then multiply by 100 digit, so 2 0, and then the same number. Now add all. This is the answer. Now example 2, there are 1585 pins in a box. How many pins are there in 125 such boxes? So multiply कर देंगे. This is the answer. So now brain booster multiplication focus on understanding the concept as repeated addition and learning multiplication facts means tables. So now exercise 6.5 based on such type of examples, like here the second one, there are 2798 books in an almirah. How many books are there in 260? Now second question, there are 2798 books in an almirah. How many books are there in 263 such almirahs? So it means multiply. So write the statement, number of books in one almirah 2798, number of books in 263 almirahs, it would be more. इन दोनों को करना पड़ेगा multiply. You will get the answer. Okay, like here, sixth question. The cost of a washing machine is rupees 6,390. How much will 436 such washing machines cost? तो हम क्या कर देंगे दोनों को multiply. So similarly, you can try these questions. Now come to MCQ. Take the correct answer. The first one, 18 multiplied by 300. That is equal to 5400. The second one, value of 64 into 100 into 0. That is 0 only. Okay. Now the third, if there are 125 mangoes in a crate, at the number of mangoes in 100 crates is 125, multiply by 100. This is the answer. The fourth, the digit in the ones place when 25 is multiplied by 135. So digit at the ones place would be 5 only. Ones digit 5 here, ones digit 5, 5 5s are 25. So last में 5 होगा. And the fifth, the value of this into 1. किसी number को जब हम 1 से multiply करते हैं, we get the same number. Okay, C option. Now enhance your learning. You can try these one lab activity. Very interesting. You can try this one also. Okay, and we have some life skills and HOTS question. You can try these one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you.